Nubia has already launched the gaming-focused Red Magic 10 Pro flagship phone series, and now, it's gearing up to introduce the Z80 Ultra, a camera-focused phone in China. The phone will be available in 3 color variants: Phantom Black, Glacial White, and Starry Collector's Edition. The Nubia Z80 Ultra sports a 6.85-inch 2K AMOLED display with X10 underscreen luminous material, a 144Hz high refresh rate. Nubia has now unveiled the design of a dedicated photography kit for the upcoming Z80 Ultra. The kit features a retro design, physical buttons, and a quick attachment interface. It appears to come with wide and zoom lens attachments. It seems that there will be a triple camera setup. The phone will use a 1/1.3-inch OmniVision 990 sensor for the main rear camera with a 35mm lens. It will also offer an 18mm equivalent ultra-wide camera with a 1/1.55-inch sensor. The phone will also get a telephoto camera that is teased to offer 50x hybrid zoom and OIS. Nubia Z80 Ultra come with Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1TB of UFS 4.1 onboard storage. Nubia's Z80 Ultra flagship will be equipped with 7,200 mAh battery, support 90W wired plus 80W wireless plus wireless reverse charging features are also supported on the device. Nubia Z80 Ultra price is set at 4,999 Chinese yuan for the 12GB plus 512GB option. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.